again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune report for John in Kentucky on the Galaxy DX929. John, got it ready to go for you, bud. Just our standard tune alignment. I'm going to go ahead and show you the RF power all the way down, 25 watt slug. It'll turn down to about a half a watt just in case you decide to run an amp. You got enough adjustability there. Up to 5. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 14 bird. 50 watt slug MPEP. Hello. 1 2 1 2. Hello. 1 2. 30 watts on the money. Not too bad for a little single final. These are great little rigs, John. I think you're going to enjoy it. From your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Bump bump.